Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about some example now related to the algebra of matrices. Now problem here. Question number first. Now question number first. A matrix has 12 elements. How many matrix is possible? Solution. First, a matrix has 12 elements. It means that number of possible matrices equal to number of order pair whose product is 12, that is 1 2 6 1 2 2 6 3 4 4 3 6 2 and 12 1. Now it means that 1 cross 2, 2 cross 6, 3 cross 4, 4 cross 3, 6 cross 2, 12 cross 1. It means that total matrix equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Total matrix equal to 6. This is our answer. Now question number second. Question number 2. If A equal to here A equal to 1 2 minus 2 and 3. This is the matrix A, so that trans 3A equal to track 3A equal to 3 track A. Now here track equal to trace A equal to sum of element of the principal diagonal 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. And now 3A means 3. A equal to 1 minus 2, 2 3. In this case we multiply 3 in the matrices to multiply in the each number of the each element of the matrix, whereas we study in the determinant, we multiply only any one row or any column, but here in the matrices to multiply each element. Now 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. So that trace 3a equal to sum of element of the principal diagonal 3 plus 9 equal to 12. It can be written as 3 into 4, 3 into 4. It means that 4 can be written as trace A. Thus, trace 3A equal to 3 trace A proved. Now, third question here. Now, third question. A equal to 1 2 0 minus 2 1 3 0 minus 1 2 and matrix B equal to 1 minus 2 2 2 3 1 0 1 0. Then find the 2a plus 3b minus 5i. Value of this. Now 2a plus 3b means 2, and the matrix of this 1 minus 2 0 2 1 minus 1 0 3 2 plus 3b b equal to 1 2 0 minus 2 3 1 2 1 0 here. Now multiply in the each element of this, so that 2 2 2 is 4 0 minus 4 2 2 3 is 6 0 minus 2 2 2 is 4 here, and plus here 3 1 is 3 3 3 2 is minus 6 3 2 is 6 3 2 is 6 3 3 is 9 3 1 is 3, and this is 0 and this is 3, this is also 0. Now this is the sum of this. Then now adding this here, and this is equal to 3 2, corresponding add 3 2 2 3 5 4 6 minus 2 0 6 6 minus 4 and plus 6 2 2 or 9 11 6 and 3 9 0 0 0 minus 2 minus plus 3 plus 1 4 0 4. Now 5 2 0 minus 2 11 1 6 9 4. This is the value of 2a plus 3b. Now if we are find 2a plus 3b minus 5i, as you know that I equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. here I is equal to this, so that now 2a plus 3b minus 5i equal to 2a plus 3b this 5 2 0 minus 2 11 1 6 9 4 here minus 5i we multiply 5 of this element, so that this is equal to 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5 and subtract this here, so that 5 minus 5 equal to 0, 5 minus 5 equal to 0, minus 2 0 minus 2, 6 minus 0 6, 2 minus 0 2, 11 minus 5 6, 9 minus 0 9, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 1, 4 minus 5 minus 1, so that we get 0 to 0 minus 2 6 1 6 9 minus 1. This is our answer. Now we take some another problem. Now here question number 4. Matrix A is 1 3 lambda plus 2 2 4 8 3 5 10 and B equal to 3 2 4 3 2 5 2 1 lambda. If A is a singular matrix, then calculate trans A plus B. Now we know that solution 4, we know that here if a matrix is singular, if a matrix is singular, we know that if a matrix is singular, then they are determinant value Now question number 4, we know that if a matrix is singular, then their determinant value will be 0, so that determinant A equal to 0 means 1 3 lambda plus 2 2 4 8 3 5 10 equal to 0. Expanding this with respect to first row, 1 here, deleting this 1, 10 4 40 minus 40 here, plus minus 3 and deleting this and this, 10 to the 20 minus 24 here, plus minus plus lambda plus 2 and deleting this 5 to the 10 minus 4 to the 12 here. Now this is 0, this is 20 minus 24, that is a minus 4, 3 the plus 12 and lambda plus, and here 10 minus 12 minus 2 lambda and 2 to the 4 minus 4, so that here 8 minus 4 equal to 8, 12 minus 4 equal to 8 equal to 2 lambda, so that lambda equal to 4. Now we have to calculate the trace A plus B. First of all, we calculate the A plus B in matrix A and matrix B, adding the corresponding element 1 3 4 3 2 5 lambda plus 2 or plus 4 lambda plus 6 2 plus 3 5 4 plus 2 6 8 plus 5 13, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 10 plus lambda this. And now trace a plus b equal to sum of elements of the principal diagonal. Here this is a principal diagonal. 4 plus 6 plus 10 plus lambda, and putting the value of lambda from here gives the value 24. This is our result. Now question number 5. If A and B are two square matrix order of 3 cross 3, now matrix A is 3 cross 3, matrix B is 3 cross 3, and determinant of 4AB is equal to K, determinant of A into determinant of B equal. Then find the value of K. Now A and B the matrix of order 3 cross 3, so that we get the matrix AB. Also this order will be 3 cross 3. Now 4AB matrix 4AB means 4 is multiplied to each element, so that 4 into something, 4 into something, 4 into something, 4 into something, this are 4AB of this. Now determinant of 4AB we take these elements corresponding to here, and in the determinant we take the common one row or one column. If you take here only 4, here 4, here 4, and 4 के power 3, and rest element here 4 के power 3, and this is equal to AB, so that putting the value of this is equal to AB, and this determinant and determinant B, comparing determinant 4AB equal to K, A and B with this value of K is equal to 4 to the power 3. This is our answer. Now we take another problem. Now question number 6 here. Given matrix A equal to M cross N, B N cross P, C R cross Q, under what conditions PQR would matrix become formable for following the product? Now in this case we have to show that under what conditions matrix product of matrix A, B, C are applicable. Now here question number 6. Matrix A is equal to M cross A, M cross N. Matrix B N cross P, and matrix C R cross Q here. Now AB, here AB we have to calculate the ABC, so that this is a first AB. Now M cross N and N cross P, M, so that this is the same. We get the matrix AB M cross P. In this case we get the matrix AB M cross P. Now matrix AB, order of this is M cross P, and ABC matrix C here R cross Q, so that for ABC, M cross P, and here R cross Q. R cross Q. This multiplication is applicable if this is equal to same P and R, imply that P equal to R. Thus, for ABC required condition P equal to R. In this case, required condition P equal to R. This is our answer. Now, for the second, here in this case A, C, B, here A equal to M cross N, A is M cross N, and C is R cross Q, ACB, here M cross N and R cross Q. For multiplication of this, number of column of this is number of row this, so that for the applicable label n equal to R, in this case now AC, and we get the matrix M cross Q. Now AC equal to M cross Q, and B equal to here N cross P, so that M cross Q and N cross P are the applicables. Q is equal to N, condition will be equal to Q is equal to N. This condition holds, so that required condition for the product here is equal to R and Q is equal to N. This is our answer. Now, for the here, now C part here, A, B plus C, matrix A, M cross N, and matrix B, N cross P, C equal to R cross Q, so that B plus C, it means that N plus P, we get N plus P if N is equal to R and P is equal to Q here, so that M cross N and N cross P, N same, we get the matrix M cross P applicable. So the required condition for this is N is equal to R and P is equal to Q here. Now we see the question number 7 here. Now question number 7. Find the sum of values of x satisfying matrix 1x1, 132, 051, 032, 11, x equal to 0. It means that we solve this, multiply to each other, and then solving this we get the value of here find the sum of values of x, which means that we have to find the sum of roots. Now here this is one row and three column. This is 1 cross 3. This is 1 2 3 row and 3 column. This is 1 2 3 row and 1 column. Now here 1 x 1. This is 1 x 1. This is 1 cross 3. Now in this case 3 cross 3 and this is 3 cross 1 applicable. We get a matrix of 3 cross 1. Now multiply this here 3 cross 1. In this case row by column method. Row by column method. 1 into 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 2 into x. Row by column method. Next 0 into 1, 5 into 1, 1 in 5 into 1, 1 into x. Next 0 into 1, 3 into 1, 2 into x. Now this matrix is 3 cross 1, 3 cross 3 row, first row, second row, third row, and 1 column. 3 cross 1 here. Now 1 x 1, 1 cross 3, and this is here. This is 1 3 4 plus 2x. This is 0, 5 1 5 plus x. This is 0, 3 1 3 plus 2x. Now order of this is 3 cross 1, so that 1 cross 3 and 3 cross 1, these are same. We get 1 cross 1 matrix here. 1, this is equal to 0 as given here, so that multiply this. This is 1 into this, 1 into 4 plus 2x plus x into 5 plus x plus 1 into 3 plus 2x. This is equal to 0. Now we write this here 4 plus 2x. 4 plus 2x. This is 5x plus x square. This is 3 plus 2x equal to 0. Now this is equal to x square. 2x, 5x, 7x plus 2, 9x and 4 plus 3, that is equal to 7. This is equal to 0. X square plus 9x plus 7. Now here comparing ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, sum of roots alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, so that sum of value of x, sum of values of x equal to b by a, b the product of this minus b the product of this x, minus 9 by a is the product of x square, here 1, so that this is equal to minus 9. This is answer here. Now, positive integral power of a square matrix. For a square matrix, a square equal to a into a, and implies that a cube can be written as a square into a, and a square also can be written as a into a. Now, I square equal to I, and I cube, I equal to 1 0 and 0 1, I square equal to I into I, so that 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1, row by column method, 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0, 1 into 0 and 0 into 1, this is this, 0 into 1 and 1 into 0 this, and 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1 this, so that 1 and 0 0 and 1, I square equal to, this is equal to I, so that I cube can be written as I square into I, so this is our I, thus I to power m equal to I, where m belongs to, and a to power m plus a to power n बराबर a to power n plus n. Now, like and subscribe my videos and share with your friends. Thank you.